If your AOC monitor is flickering, don't panic. This is a common display issue and most cases can be fixed with a few smart adjustments. Flickering usually shows up as screen flashing, rapid brightness changes, or intermittent blackouts, and it's often caused by settings or connection problems rather than a faulty monitor. Start with the most common causes. First, check your display cables. Loose or damaged HDMI or DisplayPort cables are a top reason for flickering, so reseat both ends or try a different cable. Next, check your refresh rate settings in Windows Display Settings. An incorrect refresh rate can destabilize the image. Begin at 60 Hz and increase gradually until you find a stable option your monitor supports. Also, update your graphics drivers directly from NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Outdated drivers are a frequent source of flicker. If you're using FreeSync or G-Sync, try disabling them temporarily, as fluctuating frame rates can trigger flickering. If the problem continues, move to advanced fixes. Open your monitor's on-screen display and reduce overdrive settings. Too much overdrive can cause visual artifacts and flashing. Power issues can also be responsible, so plug your monitor directly into a wall outlet and avoid overloaded power strips. Flickering at only one refresh rate may indicate a panel defect, especially on newer units. If none of these steps work and your monitor is still under warranty, contact AOC support to start the RMA or replacement process.